Men don't think like we do.
You're right, we use logic and reason.
I'm filming him.
Look at that one.
Yes, you're right. Logic and reason. Logic and reason.
Three. Mom, let me see that.
Bye.
Three.
Apples.
Old cows, you know, the old cows, they like to eat.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Your son-in-law believe that I'm 63. He goes, no, you're not. No, you're not. You're lying.
He goes, how can you be Dave's brother if you're 63?
Well, he asked me how old I was. I said, I'm 21.
You're not believing it.
He believed me for a while.
Yeah. And he goes, man, think about it. He's 35, 40 years old. Wow. I said, old cows like to eat young grass.
Okay, who's the man?
You know what
That's
I
right,
like is when I
now.
take my
We're the
grandkids
man. We're the man. Here, film me. Now, can you film me?
In a second, I want to film Uncle Bob and
We're the
Tua.
man.
You're the grandma? I said, I said, yeah, I was a teenager when I oh, wait, no, I'll say, yeah, I was 10 years old when I had my kids. Because they know darn well you can't have kids together.
Right.
But because they're so used to having kids at a later age,
Right.
you know, like, it's like, no, I said, yeah.
I'm going to tell you what.
Join my grandkids.
I don't think I can handle starting all over.
Oh, no.
I don't think I can handle
Because you've already been there. You've already been there, done that. Whereas we've been there, done that, but now we're just like starting with the grandkids.
No.
Yeah, so now every
Is
now
there